Bruce added the wood this year.
So that's wood?
That's mahogany.
Oh, that's mahogany.
Mahogany.
Wow. So you like stone better than mahogany?
I carve wood as well. I carve wood on the same level.
That's
as
pretty
stone.
amazing. Is there, what was the?
This is a coronation, like a festival. We have the festival singing queen, you know, and the Rasta in a festival all the while. So you have the ice cream man.
Really?
With the ice cream, the little boy eating the ice cream and the bicycle. You know. So we say, alright, to a festival, we go carve the festival scene. So we have come up with something to match up with the festival. In Jamaica we have a festival which everybody takes part into every year. You have to teach at least 2 or 3 person or a young man to help to get this skill. So we're not demanding anybody to get a skill, but we don't like the community to take part. So they have to learn. Young man up here have to learn this skill. So I'll be going home shortly, you know, but I don't mind teaching them. You know, give each man a 6 month.
And there's a school?
No, there is no school to teach it here, but I will be willing to set up a place and get these young guys at least 6 at a time and so teach them what's going on.
Have you seen some young guys with some talent?
Yes, yeah, I see, but they shy away from it because it is not.
It's not an overnight thing.
It's hard work to get art together, and so it's terrible.
But
you know.
I would think young people would be more inclined to do the mahogany than the stone.
Than the stone. And the stone.
For sure.
The stone have a lot of work.
So you've never seen a young person that really you knew was going to be real good?
No.
That's too bad, huh?
No, I see a lot of young men that say, oh, I can draw. I say, oh, bring piece and make us can see, and they never turn up. I see people who come up here and say, I can call and say, okay, come with the tool tomorrow, we have work for you, and they don't come back.
Oh, like an apprenticeship
yes,
work.
and they don't come back. You know, which it is something which part the tourist industry demand art. I don't know why. You know, I make some beautiful work.
It's like what you said earlier, art
is a detoxer.
Yes.
It detoxes people, so people need that in their life.
I see people who come to my yard. I didn't know the lady was a judge from United States, and she want art as well. You know, I see policeman from United States. Simply I didn't know he was a police. He wants art. What a piece to carry home back.
Yeah.
And they find me and say, you are the one I'm looking for. You do what I want. You know? So sometimes you have to work with the formation of the wood. And sometimes you take the wood and make what the person wants.
And you deliver to them personally?
And deliver it to them personally.
Yeah, that's nice.
Go to the hotel and deliver them. Recently a lady fly away, gone, leave free and peace. She comes back next year. You know.
The judge?
No. A lady, she work at the hospital. You know, she leave a lizard, they have a lizard in her store. And she leave, but she coming back.
I like that. Do you know the artist that did that?
That is
That's
Bruce
nice.
Allen. This is the same artist that is here. He's down at the bottom house.
Really? Yeah, I love the rust, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They like that Bruce.
I love that. Yeah, you know, that's getting really popular in the States. Rust. Everybody, so people have cars that are all have this
Rustic.
rust, and they just put clear coat
Over it.
over it, and yeah, rust is coming back. So there's
Yes. I see building that rotten outside and it's that they do that to it. And you go inside, it's beautiful inside. I don't know what to do to the board. Like I use a sandblast and blast the board and get out some.
they try,
You know, to make it look old.
Yeah, they make it look old.